In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find smart TV offers during Amazon Great Republic Day Sale. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can spot the best discounts quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and going to Amazon's homepage. You can type the address directly into the address bar. Give the page a moment to load fully so all banners and menus appear. If you see regional versions of the site, that's okay. Sale banners usually appear prominently during major events like the Great Republic Day Sale. Next, look to the top left of the page, near the Amazon logo. Click the All menu. This opens the main navigation panel, which is the fastest way to drill down into specific departments without getting lost in endless scrolling on the home page. From the menu, choose Electronics. This routes you to the broader electronics department, where TVs, audio, and accessories are grouped together. Waiting for the page to load here is important because sale badges and featured collections often refresh as this section opens. Within Electronics, click TV and Video. You're now in the right aisle for televisions. During big sales, Amazon typically surfaces a dedicated area for event-specific offers in this section. Look for a highlighted banner or a clearly labeled event tile related to the Great Republic Day sale. Click that highlight to jump straight into the curated offers page. This is where limited time deals, lightning discounts, and brand showcases for smart TVs are usually collected. Once you're on the sale page, look for the highlighted option that narrows results to smart TVs or top deals on smart TVs and click it. This trims away non-smart models and accessories, so you're seeing only the products you care about. If you want to refine further without adding extra steps, use the visible filters on the left side of the page to adjust screen size, resolution, refresh rate, or brand. Doing this while you're already on the sale page keeps you locked into the best price inventory. As you browse, watch for coupons that appear as small checkboxes under the price, bank, or card offers listed near the Add to Cart button, and exchange or trade-in options that can stack on top of the sale discount. Also, check delivery timelines and return policies on each product page, so you're not surprised later. That's it. Follow this path every time the sale is live, and you'll land on the freshest smart TV deals with minimal clicks.